This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning, simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below.
Morning guys, it is November 22nd, 2019. This one I gotta go change a boiler in an old guy's house. He's got cast iron baseboard in there, and the boilers he's got in there is just old, 50-something years old. Needs a gas valve. He doesn't want to spend the money on putting money into that old beast. So I was over there. I did change the power generator and pull the burners out. Tried to see if that would take care of the issue, but it's in the gas valve. Thing's coming on, off, and the thing needs to go. So I'm going there now. It's probably 8:30, and I got a delivery coming at 10, so it's gonna be all assholes and elbows here trying to get this thing done. I might not finish it today. I might have to finish. He does have a little gas fireplace for heat, so if I can't get it done, which I'm gonna try, 2 zones down there. 1 zone for the cellar, 1 zone for first floor. Little tiny ranch. I mean, the guy's an older guy, got no heat. I told him, just change the boiler, guy. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna go do. 2 new circulators, you know, feeder and expansion tank and all that stuff. Try to get you some shots when I get there. It's a little dark and dingy down there, but I gotta get going. I gotta get this done. Left the dog at home because I knew I was gonna be doing this boiler today for this guy. Can't be without heat. Anyway guys, it's right here. I'm dumping the water into the sink. And I gotta disconnect it. I'm trying to do the electrical here. He's coming. This thing's just coming out. Gotta get this thing done. I don't know if this is gonna take it or not. Don't look like it. So far, you know, the water and the gas are out there. I gotta repipe that, but I did. You can see the electrical's coming right down. That's where the other boiler was. Smoke pipe's gonna come right up and tie right in on a smoke pipe. The supply's there. I did put the supply is coming off the back here. I'm gonna put my feeder in here, my water feeder. It'll come up with a high vent and the relief valve right there, boom. And the supply is gonna come up and tie into this supply. And first and second floor are right there already. Second floor return is over there, I cut. So I'll have to tie that into this. I did come up with this this factory piping, and I put this 12-inch nipple in. 1.25 by 3/4 T. 3/4 picking up, 1.25 picking up the first floor. There's going to be 2 elbows right on the return, and the supply will go up and tie into the return. Will go in and tie into that the return. I got to put a purge station in here. I'll put that on a piece going over there so I can purge the air out in the basement zone. But we're coming along. The expansion tank's gonna go right here. Number 30 is gonna screw right in. That's what was there before. It's coming along. I'm probably gonna move that switch on the switch up higher, up to this joint probably. And I got a 2-zone control I'll probably put down the bottom down there for running 2 circulators. But it's kind of one of these jobs where I gotta get it done. The guy's got no heat in the house upstairs and it's cold out. So I gotta do it. I gotta get it done. I wish I would have did more footage, but I gotta get this done. The guy's got no heat. So let's make it happen. I'll get you some more shots as I get closer. This water pipe I'm probably gonna cut back over here and put the feeder over here somewhere. Make it look cleaner. The gas pipe, I'm gonna clean that up. It's gotta go on the other side. Well, it's coming along. This I might just put an elbow on here and come with a. We'll see. Let's see what's gonna happen with that. Don't want to make my life too difficult here. Not easy being cheesy, Mom. Supply is going to give me a problem because it's dripping. I put down over the circulator so I don't get it all full of solder. Snot on the bottom there like that. Flux drops, right? got the drip on the supply, so I don't know how it's gonna take. Might give me a problem. Might have to put a big tip on there. Put Big Daddy tip on there. You don't really want to whip the solder because then it goes everywhere. Not easy being cheesy, mama. So I put the tank in, I moved the water line over here. So we'll fill it and see if I got any leaks. I got all the joints sorted. I went upstairs and I shut all the bleeders off. Hopefully I got no leaks. Got some water in it. I gotta do the gas pipe next. And gas pipe screw in the smoke pipe. Just want to make sure I got no leaks. That would be a bummer if I had a leak. That'd be a real bummer, Mom. A real bummer. I got a 2-zone control there. It's already 2 o'clock. Uh-oh. We got a leaker. We got a leaker right there.
What's that thing, your camera?
Yeah.
Does it tell you where a leak is?
Yeah, it'll tell me where the leak is. It starts pissing out at me, then I know it's a leak, right?
Yeah.
And hopefully I don't have any more leaks. I just want to go upstairs and make sure all the bleeders are off up there. I think I shut them all off, but I better double check it. The bleeders?
I tried to move that thing. I can't.
I'll move it.
I hurt my bloody back already.
What, trying to move it? I gotta bleed all the radiators.
Yeah. I tried to move stuff out so you can pull that out and get in that corner. Because that's always the worst one.
I'm gonna need to get in there and bleed them all.
Yeah.
I don't see any leaks. Right in the buttocks. Just want to make sure everything's off and I'm not getting no floods up here. Make sure that there's no flooding. I'm not sure I shut everything off. I don't think I opened that. I opened that one. I shut that one, I know for sure. I don't think I opened anything over here. So I'll make sure I get no floods. Gas is back on. I turned the gas back on. I moved the gas line over. You remember the gas line was way over here, right? So I put an 18-inch piece, a 12, an elbow, a drop with a 5-footer. So I shut off a union, a T, and a drip, and then an elbow in. I just have to put a hanger on it, and I have hangers. I gotta get a hanger. I got hangers right there. I'll get one out of the truck. Next is the electrical. But I did pretty good today considering that this was my second job. Didn't get the boiler till 10 o'clock. So. Steve is working again, Mama. Running. It's gonna bleed the radiators upstairs and yeah, come out good. Control down over here. 2-zone control. I move the thermostat in the basement over. Came down, put the feeder here. Alright, it's done.
How do you get to the burners in there?
Yeah, right in the front here is where the burners are. Alright. Come out good. I mean, it's up on blocks. Everything's neat and clean.